Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a TikTok link to Instagram bio. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on TikTok app. Okay, then tap on profile icon and click on share profile. Click on copy link, then back. Tap on Instagram app. Click on profile icon, then tap on edit profile and click on links option. Okay, then tap on add a external link and paste URL, title TikTok. Okay, and done. Just wait. Back, add 3 links and add a TikTok link to Instagram bio. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.